Hi everyone, and this is the last type of function, that is with argument and with return. In this video we'll be passing an argument in a function which we'll be calling from main and returning something from that function. So in the main function I'm calling a function hello and passing 5 over it and assigning that function is equal to a. It means that if any value, any response comes from a, it will directly go into a. If any response comes from hello, it will directly go into a, and after that I am printing a. In the definition of hello, I am catching this 5 argument in b variable and returning b plus 5. So this is the type. With argument we have passed one argument, and with return. If I write here void, then that will be a compile time error, because we cannot return anything from a void return type function. And if we didn't write here static, so then main will not be able to call this hello function, because in Java non-static functions cannot be called by static methods, and main is a static and it is always. So 5 has been passed over there, b is equal to 5. Now we are returning 5 plus 5 10, so the value of a will be 10 and 10 will be printed on screen. I'll just compile it. With return dot java. There is no error in file. Now I'll run it with argument and with return, and see 10 has been printed on the screen. So this is all about with our functions and their types, and how can we create user defined functions, and what can we do with the help of user defined function. In the next videos we'll be studying about arrays. Thank you.